We'll guide you through how to enable VSCode Agent Mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You'll need to ensure it's updated to the latest version to access all the current features. Once it's open, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the icon that looks like 4 squares on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type VSCode Agent and press Enter. You should see an extension named VSCode Agent Mode. Click on it and then click the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete. Next, go to the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. In the command palette, type Enable Agent Mode and select the option that appears. This will activate the agent mode in your VS Code. You might be prompted to restart VS Code to apply the changes, so go ahead and do that if necessary. Once VS Code restarts, you can confirm agent mode is enabled by checking the status bar at the bottom of the window. You'll see an indicator that confirms agent mode is active. If you ever want to disable this feature, simply return to the command palette, type Disable Agent Mode, and select the option to turn it off. Agent mode can be particularly useful for remote development and collaboration, so experiment with it to enhance your coding workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.